Thank you for tuning in to Terani Law Firm's presentation of juvenile cases and juvenile procedures. The following information serves as a general description, and it should not be relied upon without the advice and representation of a criminal defense lawyer. Should you have any questions, you can always visit our website at www.criminalattorneyusa.com or give us a call at 888-3USA-LAW. That's 888-3USA-LAW. Thanks for tuning in. The criminal procedure for juvenile cases is somewhat similar and different than the adult procedure. Some procedural rights as adults are notice of charges, confrontation of witnesses, proof beyond a reasonable doubt, and the right to be represented by an attorney, amongst other rights. A few rights that have not been extended to juvenile court proceedings are generally the right to a public trial, jury, and bail. A juvenile cannot be released on bail. Rather, there's a detention hearing. At the detention hearing, a judge determines if the juvenile will remain in custody or be released to his or her parents while awaiting further hearings. The jurisdiction hearing serves the purpose of the trial. Both sides have the right to call witnesses and conduct cross-examination, but the case is usually heard without a jury. Depending on the state law, it will be heard by a judge, commissioner, or referee. The result of the jurisdiction hearing is an adjudication, not a conviction. Thereafter, the decision is made on where to send the juvenile. This is done at what is called the disposition hearing. It's similar to a sentencing hearing in an adult court case. Now, a fitness hearing is a special hearing held if there is the possibility of the juvenile being charged as an adult. At a fitness hearing, the juvenile court judge or referee takes relevant evidence and testimony considering whether the minor is a fit and proper subject to be tried in juvenile court. If the minor is found to be unfit, the juvenile court petition is dismissed and the prosecuting attorney is authorized to prosecute the minor under general adult criminal law. Cases that are transferred to adult court are handled in the same manner as those for adults. A juvenile can be placed on home detention, in a juvenile hall, a youth camp, or in youth authority. Youth authority can keep a juvenile until he or she is 25 years old. Once this age is reached, the person is transferred to state prison. It usually serves the purpose of a prison facility designed for serious juvenile offenders. Juvenile records are made available to the probation officers, court personnel, the minor, and the parents of the minor. Generally, records may be sealed 5 years or more after juvenile court jurisdiction has ended or after a person has reached 18 years of age, whichever occurs first. That concludes Terani Law Firm's presentation of the juvenile process. If you want the best and knowledgeable legal representation in a criminal law firm that will treat your case with consideration and concern, please contact us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at 866-847-1247 for a free and confidential consultation. You may also visit our website at www.criminalattorneyusa.com. A final reminder that was a very basic and general overview of the juvenile process. Certain states, jurisdictions, and courts have different rules of criminal procedure. Please make sure that you hire a criminal defense lawyer to advise you, and you are not making decisions without the proper consultation or advice of a criminal defense attorney.